So when we began, I had only been teaching for a couple years, I think maybe 2 or 3 years when we jumped into OER. So I think what was hard for me is that I was still learning how to create curriculum. And I thought that I had a really firm grasp, but I learned through the process that there were things that I could work on to become a better teacher, a lot of things, and especially when it comes to curriculum design. So I kind of had to swallow my pride in that regard and get feedback that this unit wasn't correct or it needed work or it wasn't going to be approved. And I had to take that feedback and learn from it, which was hard for me at first.
So it's interesting to hear you talk about that experience of realizing that you had some more things to learn, because you came to the table known as somebody who was very good at writing lessons and units. So that's to hear you say that, I want to just reflect that to other people. Like, even if you have your top-notch teachers and curriculum writers, that there might still be a learning curve.
Yes, thank you. That's really kind. Some other challenges were working with others that might see curriculum differently than I. A lot of teachers, which I've learned through the process, view lesson planning differently. They just think about the whole process differently, or they might just have different ideas for what is the best assessment or the best project. So it was hard at first to work with teachers that we might have disagreements on with those sorts of things, which also became a positive. And lastly, it takes a lot of time.